Papa, your name is Papa? Okay. From... This is your work bar?
Yes.
You pump
Motor.
Eh?
Tire for motor.
Okay, tire.
For motor.
Why are you sitting here alone now?
What do I do? They're waiting for work now.
They're waiting for work?
Yes. Work.
Haven't eaten since morning? You haven't eaten since morning?
I never eat. If I eat, I will tell you that I don't eat. I'm not good.
What about your children?
They're fine.
They are fine now. They live here. They live in Abuja.
One day, back of Nepal.
Where?
Back of Nepal.
Okay, down. Okay. God will bring customer here. God will bring customer. Anyways, I am with Julia. Just passing and I saw you.
Okay.
I said, let me just know why you are sitting down here alone. Okay, sir. I will give you something. You will use it to eat, okay?
Thank you.
Good morning, ma. Sir, take.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, God bless you.
Amen.
Bless
God bless you too.
Amen.
Use it to eat, okay?
Amen.
I wish I can. But you normally see customers here, ba?
Yes.
Okay. Your children, they work, ba?
They work.
They are working, ba?
They work faster.
Okay. What about your wife?
I want don't die.
Eh?
You don't die.
Your wife don't die? Sorry.
Thank you.
Okay, you are the one training your children now.
Yes.
How many are they?
4.
They go school?
They go school.
Eh?
They go school.
Okay, they go school before. Are they done with school now?
Yes.
You're the one training them.
I mean, they train them.
Now you they train them.
Yes.
Sorry, sir, here.
Thank you.
Okay, okay, God bless you. So if I want to do any work or anything, I will just come here and see you, yeah? Then, or even if I have friends that is pumping back. Okay. So in case I need any friend that wants to pump his or her tire, I will bring the person here, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. My regards to your children. Take care of yourself. Yeah, use the money to eat, okay?
Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
God bless you too, sir.